Can you hear me chewing?
I can hear you chewing way too much.
Are we going? Okay. Take me back to the 80s or 90s. This is Italian hot dogs. It's a inexpensive sandwich on a super delicious, my favorite, crusty, sesame seeded Licio rolls. Let me show you how to make these Italian hot dogs at home for an easy lunch or dinner for your family and friends. Sorry for the chewing. This one starts off with bell peppers. I've got some yellow and orange to slice up along with onions. We'll slide them aside just for a second and prep our garlic. Fresh is key. We're gonna slice this into thin little pieces. Slide that to the other side for a minute. Now our griddle is rocking on medium-low heat. We'll drizzle down some olive oil, then get our peppers and onions started. Toss those peppers and onions in that oil. Season with salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, onion powder. Then give them one more toss. Spread them out, let them hang out, do their thing. Back over to our cutting board, we'll take a package of hot dogs and we're gonna slice these into coins.
Penny size or quarter?
These are like, well, it depends on how big your hot dog is.
It was a joke.
Oh. But no, because if you went colossal, they'd be like $quarter.
Half dollar?
$half, $quarter. I don't even know my money. Back over to our peppers and onions, give them one more toss. Then we're gonna make this little well in the center, adding some more oil and our garlic. Let that garlic fry for about 30 seconds. Then you can toss everything together to incorporate. We're adding to this, to make it of course Italian style, some plum tomatoes. These are little baby plum tomatoes. I love the Mutti brand. We'll add a little bit of the sauce from the can as well. I'm gonna save the rest for a different recipe. Toss everything together just for a second and slide this aside to one side of our griddle. Now we can drop down those coins of our hot dogs that we sliced up on the opposite side. Add a little bit of oil to those hot dogs, toss them to fry, season with just a little bit of garlic powder, let them fry to the edges get crispy. They only need a minute or so, and then you can incorporate everything together or marry everything together. Let it cook for another couple of minutes, and that is it. This is ready to put into a bowl. That way we can serve this inside our crusty Licio Italian rolls. I love the sesame seeds on this one. It adds that little extra flavor. I like to scoop out the center, just removing some of that bread to make it easier to hold all of these peppers and tomatoes, onions, and hot dogs. I'll tell you, this honestly smells like I lost another hot dog. My dog's having a field day today. This smells like my grandmother's house. Just, I don't know what it is. It's not the hot dogs. I think it's just the peppers, onions, tomatoes. No, not mothballs. It's just that Italian smell that I love. Anything with this mixture. I mean, you could switch it up, whether it's hot dogs, sausage. You can even do this with chicken.
Pork?
You could do it with pork. It's
steak?
Yes. For now, you've got to try this one. This one is just, I think it's the rolls too that just make it so good. This is like 80s baby.
It's definitely the rolls. 80s
baby or 90s baby. This just takes me back to my childhood. I think you guys are gonna love it. Actually, no, I know you're gonna love it. You know why I know you're gonna love it? Because I love it. So make it, post it. Make it, take it, and post it for me. I want to see you guys eating this at home. I want to see this on your Blackstone. Tag me Blackstone Betty, tag Blackstone products. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to let Ethan have a bite of this, taste it, and get on to our next recipe for you guys. This is one of those ones I don't like doing on camera. Don't you zoom in on me. I see you playing with the zoom.